Hi everyone, my name is Matt Barrington. I'm the EY CTO and Global AI Leader. And with me today is John Roese, Dell Technologies CTO and Chief AI Officer. So John, we had a big announcement last week at GTC in partnership with NVIDIA and with yourself. We call it our EY.AI agentic platform, and we're pretty excited about it.
This is like the word of the year. Everybody's talking about it. That's how fast this industry is going. The good news is, it is what it is. It's a brand new autonomous capability that can interact with the real world, can sense the real world, has memory, learning, dynamic data underneath it, can be distributed. We don't have those. We didn't have those a year ago, 6 months ago. We are now just starting to have them. The problem is we've used that term agent all over the place. We have to kind of unwind it and really describe autonomous agents correctly.
Well said. So, as I mentioned, one of the things we're keen on with this core platform from an agentic perspective is choice, and helping our clients understand that it isn't a one-size-fits-all, just like it isn't a one-model rules-all kind of world. So choice of deployment model is going to be, super important for us. So one of the things I know our two teams have been heads down and working on, which we're excited about, is an enterprise private capability for our clients to be able to adopt agents within a private on-premises solution. Would you spend a few minutes kind of talking about why you see benefit in that?
Yeah, no. I mean, from the first days of generative AI, we have been pretty opinionated about the fact that this is incredibly sensitive and important technology. These are your new systems of record. These are the center of your business. And because of that, they're dealing with the most confidential and important information you could imagine. And so for a couple of years now, we've highly suggested people make strategic infrastructure decisions about where they run these. It impacts their compliance and regulatory obligations. Clearly, if you have less third parties involved in it, it's easier to achieve those outcomes. But more importantly, economically and performance-wise, we've realized that the real high-performance, significant AI projects, when you run them in an environment that is predictable, it has predictable costs, it has predictable environments, predictable, which is code for when you run it in a private environment, it just simply achieves better outcome. It's lower cost, it's more reliable, it tends to be more performant. And so, at the end of the day, we're maybe a little biased, but we have proven at Dell, we have 100,000 team members benefiting significantly from our first 4 major areas that we focused on. And almost that entire tech stack is running in private environments, and we feel very good about that.
We are one of the top tax providers globally. So we are hyper-focused on refactoring how we deliver tax services to be all agentified. Within the coming year, we've got 150 agents we will be rolling out at scale across a number of tax jurisdictions in an ever-changing tax environment. And we're pretty excited about the early results we're seeing.
And I said it in the first wave of AI, and I'm going to say it again. You have got to make strategic decisions around your infrastructure and environment for AI, because even though you've made choices in the cloud era about where you do stuff, this is not the same stuff. This is stuff that is much more strategic, much more important. And to your point, you are literally re-engineering entire parts of your business process. And if you get it wrong and inadvertently give away a skill or lose a capability and can't reclaim it, you could crater your company.
When we're thinking about our own agentic workforce and working with our clients on their agentic workforce, we're actually using very similar language we would to any kind of acquisition or human workforce. It's going to be exciting to see how this plays out, but lots of complexity.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting, and it's going to move fast. Yep, super excited. We have a lot of work to do, but for those of us who are on the front row of this, I have never seen a productivity enhancement capability that we're about to see as we move into this new phase.